Customers are becoming accustomed to purchasing more things, services, and memberships online, whether it's a physical good or salon appointment. As of Q1 2022, 14.3% of retail sales in the United States are online purchases. Yet, 28% of US small companies lack websites, making it difficult for their customers to shop with them and driving them to lose business to competitors that use e-commerce platforms to create a smooth purchasing experience. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the best e-commerce platform in 2022. Yeah, you heard it right. Shopify. Shopify, which was founded in 2004 by three entrepreneurs attempting to establish an online snowboarding equipment store, has grown to employ over 5,000 people, supporting millions of businesses in 175 countries. We chose it as the best overall platform because it is a cost-effective, powerful, and user-friendly platform for both newcomers and expanding organizations. As an all-inclusive e-commerce platform, Shopify is simple to install and manage, making it an excellent option for businesses with limited in-house technical help. The platform enables customers to sell products via an online store, social networking platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, online marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay, as well as in-person Shopify point-of-sale system. Shopify has some of the most sophisticated inventory management options among the platforms we analyze. Users may quickly see inventory levels and orders, as well as construct product pages and unique metadata, photos, and pricing rules. Shopify also simplifies shipping procedures, such as printing labels and giving clients tracking information. BigCommerce, founded in 2009 by two developers as an online shopping cart, BigCommerce today has over 1,000 employees and serves over 150 countries. We selected it as the runner-up because it is comparable to Shopify, with an emphasis on larger enterprises and more robust SEO features. BigCommerce differs from Shopify in terms of payment processing. BigCommerce allows users to choose from over 65 payment processors, including PayPal, Square, and Stripe, and at no additional cost. Shopify charges 0.5% to 2% per transaction for using third-party payment processors. This is beneficial for businesses who wish to maintain their existing merchant accounts. BigCommerce, like Shopify, makes it simple to create beautiful e-commerce sites and sell on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, as well as marketplaces such as eBay and Amazon. It also provides an equally amazing marketplace for programs related to shipping, marketing, accounting, and customer relationship management, CRM, among others. Volusion, which was founded in 1999 by a 16-year-old coder constructing websites for customers, has evolved from a simple online shopping cart to a robust e-commerce platform handling $28 billion in sales for over 30,000 merchants. We chose it as the most cost-effective option because it provides businesses with everything they need to sell online, minus the frills. With dozens of themes and a drag-and-drop page editor, Volusion makes it simple to create a sophisticated e-commerce site. Order and inventory management for smaller vendors is easy and adequate. Volusion also adheres to the fundamentals when it comes to reporting and analytics, enabling users to monitor site traffic, product performance, and abandoned shopping carts. Wix. Wix was started in 2006 by three developers dissatisfied with the expense and difficulties of e-commerce website creation. Today, the company has more than 3,000 workers in over 190 countries and more than 200 million users. We chose Wix as a platform with the best user experience because it allows businesses to develop e-commerce websites more easily and affordably than any other platform we evaluated. With hundreds of professional templates and a drag-and-drop editor, Wix makes it simple to create a great e-commerce website in minutes. The only way to access Wix's e-commerce features is to upgrade to a premium plan, which is required for the creation and maintenance of a basic personal website. Wix provides over 50 payment channels globally, including Wix Payments. Wix's dashboard facilitates the management of inventory and orders, as well as the retrieval of revenue and conversion rate information. Weebly. Weebly was founded in 2007 with the intention of facilitating the creation of personal websites on a single platform. Square acquired Weebly in 2018, thereby boosting its e-commerce capabilities. Today, it runs over 50 million websites worldwide. Since it's the only platform we evaluated that allows users to establish a simple, working e-commerce website for free, we select it as the best free platform. Weebly's straightforward drag-and-drop editor is comparable to that of Wix, enabling customers to construct a stunning online store in minutes. The platform guides customers through setting up a store, including picking a basic layout, fonts, and colors. creating pages, and selecting a domain name. Inventory items can be added immediately or after the remainder of the website has been developed. Squarespace. Squarespace was created in a University of Maryland dorm room in 2003 as a simple platform for developing and hosting blogs. It introduced e-commerce capabilities and an easy drag-and-drop interface in 2013, making it a formidable rival to Wix and Weebly. We chose it as the finest platform for creatives because it facilitates the creation of elegant, visually appealing portfolio sites for presenting and selling creative works. In addition to facilitating the sale of things, Squarespace facilitates the sale of services and gift cards, the creation of subscriptions and membership programs, and the online booking of appointments by consumers. Integrated email marketing capabilities enable users to cultivate customer loyalty by delivering discounts and specials. Additionally, the platform offers a number of third-party connectors, such as Printful and ShipStation, to facilitate the creation and shipment of unique products. WooCommerce. WooCommerce, an e-commerce extension for the popular WordPress content management system, was created by WooThemes in 2011. It is the most popular, versatile, and cost-effective extension for WordPress users who wish to develop a fully featured e-commerce website. WooCommerce is a free plugin that can be added to any WordPress site to offer e-commerce capabilities. Because WordPress is one of the top SEO platforms on the market, WooCommerce makes it simple to develop an e-commerce site of any size that is scalable. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.